Hello friends, we are going to write an algorithm to calculate the sum of the elements in an array. Step 1, logical start of the algorithm. Step 2, I am asking the user to enter the size of the array. Enter array size. Step 3, I am storing the input in the variable n. Input n. Step 4, I am declaring the array with the size n. Declare a of n. Step 5, I am initializing two variable set I equal to 0, sum equal to 0. Step 6, I am writing a while loop. While I less than n, value of I less than n, I am obtaining input for the array, input a of I. Initially, the I value is 0. The value for the index position a of 0 will get stored. Now I am incrementing I by 1, I equal to I plus 1 end y. So this loop while I less than n. What is the initial value of I? 0. 0 less than the array size n. Input a of I. A of I means a of 0. The value entered by the user will get stored in the array index position a of 0. I will be incremented by 1. I equal to I plus 1. Now the condition is checked. I less than n. If it is true, input a of I. So input a of 1. The value for the index position 1 will get stored. It will go until I less than or equal to n. So this is the loop which stores the values in the array. Step 7. I am again initializing I set I equal to 0. Step 8. While I lesser than n, if it is true, the variable sum. What is the value of variable? Sum equal to 0, initial value. Sum equal to sum plus a of I. Now I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. So this is end y. What this loop will do? What is the initial value of I? I is 0. It will check 0 is lesser than the array says n, it is true, sum equal to sum plus a of I. That means the existing value of sum. What is the initial value of sum? Which is 0. 0 is the existing value here. 0 plus a of I value is 0. A of 0. So sum's existing value is 0 plus the value which is stored in the a of 0 will be added with the value of sum and it is stored in the variable sum. Then I will be incremented by 1. Now the condition I lesser than n. That means now I is 1. 1 less than n is true. Sum equal to sum plus a of I. That means sum plus a of 1. So sum which contains the value of a of 0 in the previous iteration. Now with this value a of 1 will get added. This loop will go continuously until I value is lesser than n. So in this loop, during the execution, the values of the array A will be get added in the variable sum one by one, and total sum value is stored in the variable sum. So once I lesser than n is false, the control will go to the next step. In this step 9, I am printing the sum. Print sum. Step 10, this is the logical stop of this algorithm. Now we will take a sample input and check how this algorithm works. Start print enter the array size. So the value entered which is stored in the variable n. I am giving n equal to 5. Declare a of n. An array will be declared of the size of 5. Initial position 0. Next position 1 and 2. Index position 3 and 4. 0 to 4. 5 values will get stored in the array. Array size 5. The array name is A. So I am initializing I equal to 0, sum equal to 0. I equal to 0 and sum equal to 0. I will check while I less than n. I will check what is the value of I. I is 0. What is the value of n? N is 5. 0 less than 5, which is true. Input a of I. That means the value will get stored in the a of 0. I am giving a value 1. 1 is stored in the index position a of 0. I equal to I plus 1. Now I equal to 1. I am checking I less than n. That means 1 lesser than 5. The condition is true. Input a of I. That means a of 1 will get obtained. I am entering value 2. Index position 1. The value 2 will get stored. I equal to I plus 1. Now I equal to existing value of I, which is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. In this iteration I am checking 2. So what is the value of I? I equal to 2. I am checking 2 lesser than 5, which is true. Input a of I. So a of 2. I am storing a value 3. I am incrementing I by 1. That means what is the existing value of I? I equal to 2. So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. I equal to check 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Now I am checking 3 lesser than 5. Condition is true. Input a of I. So I value 3. A of 3. I am storing a value 4. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to existing value of I, which is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So I am checking 4 lesser than 5. While I less than n. 4 lesser than 5, which is true. Input a of I. A of 4. I am storing a value 5. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to existing value of I is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So while I less than n, I am checking So here I am checking 5, I value is 5, n value is 5, 5 less than 5 is false. Step 7, I am initializing I equal to 0. We come to step 8, while I less than n. I value is 0 lesser than n value is 5, condition is true. If it is true, sum equal to sum plus a of I. Sum equal to existing value of sum equal to existing value of sum equal to 0, because I am initializing sum equal to 0 here, plus a of I. So what is the I value? I value is 0, a of 0. A of 0 I am having a value 1. 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. And I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to existing value of I equal to 0. 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. The controller will come here and check I lesser than n. 1 lesser than 5 which is true. So here sum equal to existing value of sum. What is the existing value of sum? Which is 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. 1 plus a of I. What is I value? I value is 1. A of 1. A of 1 I am having a value 2. 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to existing value of I equal to 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Now to check the condition, 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5 condition is true. Sum equal to sum plus a of I. Sum equal to existing value of sum which is 3 plus I value is 2. So a of I means a of 2. A of 2 I am having value 3. 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. Existing value of I equal to 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. I am checking a condition I less than n. So 3 less than 5 which is true. Here sum equal to sum plus a of I. Sum equal to, so existing value of sum is 6 plus I value is 3. So here a of I. A of 3 means 4. 6 plus 4 which is equal to 10. Next step I am incrementing I by 1. I, existing value of I which is 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. While loop, check the condition. 4 less than 5. 4 less than 5 which is true. Sum equal to sum plus a of I. Sum equal to existing value of sum equal to 10 plus I value is 4. So sum plus a of 4. That means a of 4 I am having value 5. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. I am incrementing I by 1. I equal to existing value of I is 4. 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. Now we'll check the condition. In the while loop header, I value is 5. N value is 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false. The controller will come out of the while loop and come to the step 9. Will print the sum. Sum equal to 50. So array size 5, I am storing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the array. So I am getting a value 15. Yes, output will check 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15. So my output is 15 is correct. So the algorithm is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.